Hello and welcome back to Johnson Dew's Food Reviews starring Emmy. Today we're trying winter bars.
These are Clif bars. These are the seasonal winter flavors of Clif bars, one of which is new this year.
Let's open up this one.
Okay, you want to know what flavor it is?
Yeah, this one is
Spiced pumpkin pie. I feel like we may have had one of these in a pumpkin stuffed video last fall.
What are you doing?
We've got winter themed Clif bars.
I'm sorry.
We're starting with a pumpkin pie one.
Okay.
How is it, Em?
That's good. That's good. Stop
Well, I think we had
talking.
these. I think last year we did a video, a Sukkot video maybe, of pumpkin stuff.
Yeah.
Right. Hold on, Em. Let's do that one last. Here we have iced gingerbread. I mean, it tastes like a pumpkin spice Clif bar.
I need that.
Not very sweet. There's not a ton to say about it. That's pretty. Look at that. This one's gingerbread.
Whoa. Gingerbread?
Yeah.
Is there ginger on it? Of course there is.
Can we not fight over the bar? I prefer that one. You can get a tiny little bit of the ginger flavor. I mean, it tastes very similar to the first one. Hopefully this one will be a little bit different. This last one is new for this year. And it is peppermint bark.
That is not. Yeah, like dog bark.
Not like dog bark. Peppermint bark is when you take normally you would take chocolate, put little pieces of peppermint in it. You got a little chocolate drizzle on the top. Try this one. Oh, smells like toothpaste.
Does it really taste like toothpaste?
Oh, it's minty.
I
It's supposed to taste like a candy cane.
ate one entire candy cane last night.
That's pretty good.
I don't want to try that.
And it tastes like a candy cane.
It's good.
No, you like the candy cane.
This is so good.
All right, Josh, you got a favorite? Emmy seems to prefer the gingerbread one by virtue of the fact that she's still eating it.
This is my favorite.
That's pumpkin.
Okay.
All right, well, we have something really special planned for tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
I guess we'll see what it is tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Have a nice evening.